Okay, I've talked in the past about just how proliferous um, tobacco really is, and it'll grow basically anywhere, although it has a very specific climate that it reaches its maximum potential. And I haven't experimented a lot with, say, Virginia tobacco, things like that, because it generally grows better in the south, and I live up in the northwest, so the best I could do years ago was to order these seeds from what seed company? What Victory Seed Company? And it was this. Many of you have seen the video because I know some of my subscribers came here through there. But the specific type of tobacco is nicotiana rustica, which is like a traditional shamanic, you know, or Aztec tobacco. Has different names, but um, I didn't actually plant any this year, but every year some comes up because the seeds might lay dormant for a couple of years. And this is probably from one of the plants that grew last year, but there's a few here. I wanted to show you just what I mean by how profusely they produce seed pods. So these are two, I guess there's one, and then there's the second one right here, it looks like. Two tobacco plants growing in with my strawberries. You can see they're not very tall. It's like 18 inches, 2 feet tops. And look at all of those seed pods. Now each one of these seed pods will contain, see if I can find one that's dry yet, or one that's dry that didn't get invaded by budworms, because that's another thing. A lot of the seed pods will get invaded by these creatures. So try to drop the seeds out. You can't even see them because they're so tiny, but as you can see on my hand, those little black spots, those are the seeds. So imagine each one of these balls filled with hundreds of those seeds, and you can imagine how many that you're going to acquire at the end of the year, which means if you grow tobacco once, you'll never run out of seeds. You'll always have a supply. So I just wanted to share that, and those have a couple more weeks to go, and I'll probably harvest the leaves as well, but there's not much there. Maybe next year I'll put a little more into it. We'll see. Anyway, some quick thoughts on tobacco.